How is everyone doing today? I hope everybody's fine. Welcome back. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so today we'll be having Jamaican peanut porridge. I'll be bringing 2 cups of water to a boil, along with 3 cinnamon sticks and 2 ounces of coconut cream. I'll be blending 1 cup of raw peanuts, half cup of oatmeal, and 1 1/4 cup of whole milk. I'm gonna blend for about 3 minutes until it's smooth. I'll be mixing out the coconut cream in that boiling water. And I'll be taking out the cinnamon sticks that already was been boiling in the water. So I am getting ready to pour the porridge mixture in the boiling water. And guys, as you pour it in, you keep mixing because you don't want it to be lumpy. So you mix it in as you go. Now it is thick, so I'm just gonna be adding a little water. Okay, so the spices are going in at this point. 1 teaspoon of almond, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. So guys, I put another 1/4 cup of water to make it a little thinner. All right, this happens a lot of time when you're cooking porridge. you know, you're looking for the consistency, so sometimes you have to add stuff. So that's how it is. All right. So guys, you're gonna allow the porridge to boil for another 5 minutes, and then you turn the stove off. Now I'm adding some sweetened condensed milk, and this is the taste, and this is to your preference. Guys, if you want to add sugar or milk or whatever the sweetener is, it's good. Okay? So there you go. You just sweeten to your likeness. And I'm adding a little bit more vanilla, which is another tablespoon. Okay, I always add a little vanilla at the end of my porridge. It just brings up back that flavor. Guys, you can add nutmeg to your porridge. But at this time I didn't have any, so yeah, it still tastes good. All right. So guys, after you sweeten your porridge should look like this. The consistency should look like this. Look at that, guys. So this is the thickness you want to have. All right. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.